The IBM Wheelwriter 6 Series 2 typewriter stands as a testament to the enduring quality and reliability of IBM's typewriting technology. This refurbished model not only brings back the nostalgia of the typewriter era but also integrates the robust performance and precision that professionals and enthusiasts demand. The first thing you'll notice about the Wheelwriter 6 Series 2 is its solid build quality. Constructed to withstand the rigors of heavy use, this typewriter features a durable casing and a responsive keyboard that delivers a satisfying tactile experience with every keystroke point. One of the standout features of the IBM Wheelwriter 6 Series 2 is its versatility. It offers a range of type styles and sizes, ensuring that your documents have a professional appearance. The built-in correction system is a lifesaver, allowing for quick and easy error correction without the need for messy correction fluid or tape. This feature alone significantly boosts productivity and reduces frustration, making it a favorite among writers and typists. The refurbished aspect of this unit means that it has been meticulously restored to like-new condition. This includes thorough cleaning, replacement of worn parts, and rigorous testing to ensure optimal performance. As a result, you can expect smooth operation and long-term reliability, much like a brand-new machine. The refurbishment process also ensures that the typewriter is environmentally friendly, as it extends the life of the existing hardware and reduces electronic waste. Ergonomically, the Wheelwriter 6 Series 2 excels. The keyboard layout is intuitive, reducing the learning curve for new users and allowing seasoned typists to get up to speed quickly. The typing action is smooth and responsive, minimizing fatigue during long typing sessions. Additionally, the typewriter's design includes a convenient paper handling system that accommodates various paper sizes and types, making it versatile for different typing projects. The IBM Wheelwriter 6 Series 2 is also equipped with several modern conveniences that set it apart from traditional typewriters. Features like automatic centering, bold typing, and underlining enhance document formatting, while the automatic return function streamlines the typing process. These enhancements not only improve efficiency but also make the typing experience more enjoyable. For those who appreciate the charm and functionality of typewriters, the IBM Wheelwriter 6 Series 2 offers the best of both worlds. The classic feel of a typewriter combined with the reliability and efficiency of modern technology. Whether you are a novelist, a student, or someone who simply enjoys the art of typing, this refurbished model is sure to meet and exceed your expectations. Its superior build quality, extensive feature set, and the assurance of professional refurbishment make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to invest in a high-quality typewriter. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.